Hey there guys, it's Alan with OC Modshop again, and today I'm going to show you how to double the speed of your Intel laptop for free. So you can see right here I have my desktop going. I have an Intel Core i7-10750H CPU, and it's currently running at 2.59 gigahertz. Here's how to double the speed of your Intel laptop for free in Windows 10 and 11. Once you get this set up, you'll be able to toggle the performance instantly at any time. What you have to do is go into your Registry Editor and navigate to this part. I have a handy a reg file right here, and I'm going to copy this into the description. So all you have to do is copy this, paste it into a text file into Notepad, name it anything you want, .reg, and double click on it and it'll work. But basically you go down to H key local machine, system, CurrentControlSet, control, power settings, and this number here, this will be in the description, don't worry about it. And then you scroll down to this next one, BE337238. Again, this is in the reg file. Click on that, and you're going to add an attribute with a dword of 2. You can see that right here. And when you do that, then that opens up a magic new option in your power settings. So I'm going to go to edit power plan. Now keep a note at the current speed of my CPU right here. It's 2.59 gigahertz. Go into change advanced power settings. Scroll down to processor power management. And there's a new option here that wasn't there before you added the registry item. Processor performance boost mode. We're going to open that. On battery, it's disabled. Plugged in, it's disabled. We're just going to click it. There's a couple options here. We're going to say enabled. Now watch what happens here when I click apply. It instantly goes to 4.2 gigahertz. This is a way to increase the performance or unlock all of the performance of your core processor if you have a laptop. Does this trick work for other laptops? Try it on AMD. Did this not work for you? Try it out and let me know in the comments below. And I hope this is helpful for you. And again, this registry text is going to be in the description. All you have to do is copy and paste it into Notepad, save it as a .reg file, double click on it, and this will unlock this performance boost mode for you too. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time.